Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can basically make your Chubby Chipmunk's ability to cool down faster and grow a garden. First, you're going to want to increase, well, I make sure the age of the Chubby Chipmunk is till 100, so I used my level up lollipop for that. Then what I did was I added the giant bean pet chart. Thankfully, I still have one more, so I don't have to put it in the like pet mutation area. But basically, I just made it really big, and its cooldown is like similar to the one on the Nutty fever. Now it's at, I think, 33 seconds. I think it was like a minute. I forgot like how long the cooldown was, but now it's at 35 seconds, which is, I think, faster. I'm not 100% sure, but you can still do the Nutty fever, but I think right now it's a little bit faster since I used the pet chart, that it's a mega pet now, even though it looks horrible and green. Hate it. But I mean, I'm trying to do this really quick because I didn't have time this week to do anything for this event, and I think it's a little bit time consuming, this event, because you have to like really play it. So yeah, and like you have to like look for the acorns every time, and yeah, that is it. Oh my gosh, this is ridiculous because I can't see anything because of this chipmunk. But that is it for this video. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I'll try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.